Today's topic is very interesting. I will talk about Google Dorking. It is also called as Google hacking. Though in reality, it is not any hacking technique. It is simply advanced Google search. Cybersecurity researchers or ethical hackers use Google Docs extensively to find exposed sensitive data or security loopholes in the websites. The first step in learning ethical hacking is information gathering. Cybersecurity researchers try to collect maximum information about their target, and Google Docking is a very handy tool in collecting the information. Cyber experts can find website vulnerabilities, sensitive information such as email list, contact list, or say phone numbers, addresses, or any secret or confidential information about any company or any product, or even they can access unsecure webcams. But if you are not a cyber expert, then also, do you think Google Docking can be useful for you? Yes. If you are a PhD scholar, research scholar, or writing any book, or writing any article, and if you want to look for any specific information about your topic, like what exactly has been written earlier on that particular topic, then you can use Google Docs effectively to narrow down your search and save time. So now question comes, what is Google Dork? Google Dork is a query. Google Dork is a search string that uses advanced search operators to find information that is not easily available. It does not mean that information does not exist on internet. It is there. But when we type any keyword and look for any specific information, it may not appear on first or second page of the Google search. So Google Docking use search operators called as dorks to narrow down Google search results. But before we take the practical example, how we can use Google Docs or what exactly are the search engines, how can we use them to extract the information, we must know some ethics about Google hacking or Google Docking. It is legal to use Google Docs to find security loopholes or vulnerabilities with proper authorization from the concerned person or company, but if information is being misused, then it is illegal and punishable. Now let us take some examples. We start with the doc called as site. So what I want is, I want some information only from this particular website. You may type any website name over here. I type site cyberpathshala.india.com. As I press enter, it shows me the pages only from this particular websites. See, no other website is coming up. Now we go with we merge it with another dork that is called as in text say cybersecurity basics. So what does it mean? I am looking for cybersecurity basics text in this particular website. As I press search, it shows me cybersecurity basics wherever it is appearing. On this page, cybersecurity basics. On the same website, cybersecurity basics, same website. If you scroll down, we see wherever cybersecurity basics is coming, it is picking up only those particular pages. Now we try with another dot, file type. What I want now, I am looking for cyber law text and file type should be PDF. So what I am telling to the Google, that show me the PDF files which are having text as cyber law. I type the query and I press on search. Now Google is recognizing whether I am doing something unethical. So it is asking me to verify it. Let us verify. So now it is showing me the PDF having cyber law in text. Let us scroll down. PDF file, cyber law, PDF file. This is PDF having cyber laws, cyber law, PDF. So everywhere PDF is appearing, see here. Now we try with another dork that is related. So I am looking for some information on antibiotic side effects and my dork is related. So what I type? Related : antibiotics side effects. As I press search, it is showing me the pages which are having antibiotics. See. So using the Google Docs, we can narrow down the search. Now let us take one or two more examples which may be helpful for ethical hackers or cybersecurity researchers. Suppose we want to see if there is any webcam which is exposed on internet. So what do? I write in title : webcam. As I press, it is showing me multi-view webcam. Many live cameras are coming up. We may click on any. Say suppose we click here. So it is picking up the live camera view from multiple countries. This is from Germany. This is from France. Again Germany, Belgium. Thus slow. Let us go on to the next page and see what it shows. See, these leaves are moving. It shows that it is live. This is in Chile. This is in US. Let's click on another page. So these are the webcams which are not secured properly, or we may say those are exposed on internet. Suppose we want to see if there is any web server which is not configured properly. So what do we do to look for that? I write in URL /proc/self/cwd. As I press search button, it shows me the list of the servers which are not secure. So let us click on any link. So it is showing me the directory, complete directory, which is hosted on this particular server. Let us click on another link now. Let's say click here. Again, I can see folders hosted on that particular server. So there may be multiple queries which may apply as a Google Dork. You learned how effective is Google Dorking to search for information. This video is only for the education purpose. Please write in comment box if you like the video, or if you are looking for any specific topic, please do write in the comment box. Subscribe the channel for future updates and share the information with others as well.